looky here. There's some scary looking pumpkins. Marianne came out late. I was asleep last night and started this print up, and she asked me to come out and take it off this morning. It's looking pretty. She's gotten pretty good at printing all these little things.
Happy anniversary.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Happy anniversary to you also.
Yeah, it was Friday 7 years ago, right? The weekend of Hurricane Matthew, which was not serious for North Carolina, but it was raining.
It was some places were affected. Yeah, some flooding. Yep.
Yeah. So Don and I just ordered him a swatch. Well, I wanted to get him something for his anniversary, but I couldn't make up my mind on my own. Although we ended up ordering the one I was leaning toward, I suppose. Because I do know you pretty well.
That's right.
We got him Mission Saturn.
That's right.
And it's tan, earth tone colors. Sort of different than some other watches that he has. You know, we add one to his collection. We want it to not look like all the others. Our lovely friends in Scotland had suggested a mega swatch for Dawn would be good. So we ordered it together. And that was just, that was nice. Yeah, because I was going back and forth. My head was spinning on which one to buy. Apparently there's no... they made it a little hard to buy, but there's no swatch retailer in North Carolina, which is sort of hard to fathom. Anyway, happy anniversary, and we will definitely show it to you guys when it comes, or you can go to the Swatch website and look for the Mission Saturn watch and see. Yeah. Maybe I'll screenshot a picture and put it up so you guys can see it. But obviously, I have Lego coming, so Don doesn't. Don doesn't even try, which that's not a negative, because he's just like, are you set, kitten? Did you order something from Lego that you're happy about? I'm like, yes. So, yeah.
I love my girl.
Love you too. How much rain did Matthew give us?
Well, at RDU, it was 6.96 inches, but along the coast in a place called Evergreen, North Carolina, it got 18.95 inches.
Yeah, it rained.
It rained.
Yeah.
Right. It was actually raining on us when we went to the courthouse.
I remember. One of us had on heels and was trying to have curly hair.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You look very pretty.
And then we went to the wrong courthouse and we got sent to the
old courthouse. That's right. And sent to the
new courthouse or some such other. They're basically across the street from each other.
But it was unfortunate.
They didn't frisk us, but they did look for concealed weapon. We had to go through a scanner. It's a courthouse. Yeah. Yeah, right. I remember. All right, Tux, go on up, buddy. I'm watching for your tail. You've made the turn. Okay. You can't go up for Mama? Come on up, buddy. Tuxie, come here, bud. He's not in the right direction yet. And he never he does go up this way sometimes, but he doesn't really go up the other way. I will lift him. Morris has come to see me. Morris is a good boy. Yeah. All right, let me put your food down, Marty, and then I'll come back and worry about Tux. Or he can decide that he can walk up the steps on his own accord. Stripey! But Tux, this is not your spot, bud. His Royal Highness has been lifted to his spot. I've got a chicken cooking. It's cooking now, but I haven't, I don't have any for this morning, so they just got canned food. Sorry, guys. There's Stripey. I saw you walking in the woods. Hi. Good morning. No. It's nice to look out there and see things trimmed up this morning and pulled. I can tell the difference down by the gnome home. Yeah, lots more things to do this fall. Fall and spring always seem so busy with outside activities, but we'll get her done. So pretty. I planted a mix. There's at least the red and the pink in there. I guess I didn't get a white one in there this year, though. I'll bring you fresh chicken for dinner, Missy. Okay? Yeah, I will. And there's something good until then. All right? He's a good girl. The field is marked and ready to go. Now, here's the nice crisp bike lane symbol painted now. I think they're done. Done with the paint. Yeah, wow, look at the grass. I'm glad my grass doesn't look like that this morning. Here, hopefully they'll have a chance to be on their regular mow schedule this week and get caught up after all that rain.
Hey, we got a full bag. We filled it up along the fence. I'll pick it up over there. That fence makes a really good catcher of debris.
Yep.
So you can get a lot real quick, big bang for buck.
Well, at least if they come to mow now, they won't be shredding trash as best of our ability. It's a little hard to spot all of it when the grass is tall, but we do our best. Don's got an 11:30 meeting, so as much as I would like to drag you around the track a couple times, we're going to head to the house.
Yeah, baby.
I am so sore today. My thighs, my stomach muscles, my glutes. I mean, it's just every time I bend over, it hurt today. I kept on bending over anyway. And you stand and bend over for 3 hours pulling stilt grass, it stretches a lot of things that you don't seem to stretch other times. I'm done editing yesterday's video with Gray. It's going on 2 p.m. now. I need to debone the chicken for the kitties. It's done. I just pulled it out of the Instant Pot to start cooling. And I'm fixing a new dish for dinner. It's some sort of a chicken casserole. You'll see. And I want to work on my Lego song because it's been a few days. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. Aw.
How can I help? It smells mighty good in here. You're being awful industrious today.
Am I causing those hunger pangs to start? Don said today that he didn't want to have lunch. He was going to skip today and just have dinner. And then for like 2 hours now, the whole house smells great, including bacon currently cooking in the oven.
She's challenging me.
This is the onion mixture. This is the chicken thighs I'm getting ready to debone. This is the cheese mixture for this chicken casserole. But I don't need these juices, and Don's my carry stuff over and dump it far away in the woods person. I need that gone. But I'm going to reuse the bowl, so don't get it dirty.
All right.
Poor Don's trying to work. I can't hold that pot
Yeah.
and scoop it out at the same time, so I called Don to hold the pot while I scoop.
I'm collecting my tax.
Exactly. Is it going to work for you?
Oh, yes, very much.
The cream cheese, Parmesan, heavy whipping cream, and spices sauce worked out good. The only thing, I didn't have a bottle of hot sauce because we don't normally use that, but I put red pepper, dried red pepper in it in place.
Good.
And it called for only red onions, and I use Vidalia and red. Yeah. And it called for rotisserie chicken, and I cooked my own chicken thighs. But it's very close. It's like my Lego. I can't quite 100% follow directions, but it's not because I can't follow directions. It's just because, well, I have ideas or something.
Thank you, pretty girl.
Ready to go in the oven in a little bit. I'm finishing up cooking the bacon. And it's going on 4:30, and I'm finally going to get a chance to work on my building, so that's good. I should have, I'm guessing at least 90 minutes. Yeah, the first floor is coming along nicely on the back half. The second first floor.
Supper. This is a chicken casserole that Marianne made. I've been smelling it pretty much all day, and it smells delicious. Wish y'all could have some.